Greetings, Rocketeers! This is your Toy Commander, and are you guys ready for today's mission? Great, so am I. And today's video is intended for play only. Alright kids, are you ready for today's fun fact about outer space with the Toy Commander? Alright, today's fun fact is gonna be mind-boggling, I should say. Everybody's heard the term, there are more stars in the universe than there are grains of sand on the entire Earth. Well, we think that's actually true, that there are. Now this is an estimation because they can't go around and count every grain of sand, but there's an estimated 7 quintillion, 500 quadrillion grains of sand.
Really?
Really? Now that's a lot of sand. So scientists can also estimate how many stars there are in the galaxy. Now this is an estimation. So are you ready for this number? So based on what they have come up with, there are in the entire universe, not the galaxy, I might have said galaxy, but this is the entire universe, not just our galaxy, the Milky Way. There's an estimated about 1 septillion. You know what that number looks like? That's a 1 with 24 zeros after it. What? How can they even come up with that number? I didn't even know there was such a thing as septillion. Okay kids, on to today's video. We have a very special toy for you today. Are you ready for it? Yeah! Boom! This is Flippin' Frenzy. Now this is a 2-in-1 vehicle that has 360-degree tornado action. Woo! Woo! Oh, I caught that pretty good, right? Before I tell you a little bit more about this, I have reviewed a couple of these air hogs on my channel. I think I did the stunt shot and the jump fury, yes. And there was one other hover one too from air hogs. I can't remember what it was called, but I can tell you that the wheels on these are very soft and they do 0 damage that it claims on the box. So it won't ruin your furniture because the wheels are so super soft. Now this thing does all kinds of cool stuff. Yes, it is indoor safe, it says it right there. All right, first we're gonna take this to the other table, unbox, get a closer look at it, and then we're gonna play with it and see how many cool stunts this thing can do. I'm super excited because I love RC cars, especially ones that don't do any damage and do all kinds of stunts and jumps and flips and turns and whatever. So let's get this thing out of the box already. Alright kids, here we are in the other table, and I did want to show you this box, even though YouTube frowns upon us showing boxes. But the only difference is here, the Toy Commander actually plays with the toys. So that's what makes it special, because we don't just unbox toys, we play with them and have fun. Alright, I'm going to show you guys how this thing works. Look how cool that is on the front of the box, how it just changes shape when you turn the box. It makes a funny noise too, listen. I was always fascinated by that. I don't know why. It's just, it's kind of silly. Alright guys, here's Flippin' Frenzy out of the box. What's really cool is, look, this is one side here. It's all blue. And then if you flip it over, it's another car that's red, and it has some cool engine sticking out right there. Now these tires are like a styrofoam, but very soft, and they won't do any damage. Alright, and here is the remote, pretty basic remote. This will make the car go forward and backward, left and right. And right here you're going to see little modes on each one. This one here has a 360 on it right there. That must be the 360, and this must be the flip button, so you just press those when we want to do tricks.
Cool.
And this right here is just to correct your drifting. If your car's going a little bit to the right or to the left, all you do is you just adjust it with this. It also comes with this power cable to charge this for your USB. Now you can plug this into your computer or any USB, or you can add a plug to the top and just plug it into your wall socket. Here's the directions, pretty straightforward. We won't go over much on here because it's pretty easy. You know, battery installation, we don't want to go through any of that, right? That's kind of boring. And then just right here it shows you what the car does with the flips and everything like that. Pretty simple. I think we're going to need some batteries though. The way you open this now, it's a new technology. You just press it. You don't need a screwdriver. It's pretty cool in 2 AA's. And this doesn't need any batteries because we're going to charge it up right now, and we're going to take it downstairs on the wide open floor, and then we're going to do some flips and 360s and jumps, and we're going to go on the couch, off the table. We're going to go everywhere with this thing, so let's go. Alright guys, just plug your USB into the back of an adapter and just plug it into the wall. And this will go right in front in the car. That just goes right in like that, and then it will charge. Right here you're going to see a blinking red light, and we're going to wait for that light to stop, and then we're ready to go. Okay, as you can see, we have a red light, which means it's ready to go. So we unplug, and then we turn on our remote, and we are pairing. Let's turn on the vehicle too. All right, now we're all paired up and ready to go. Let's take it on the floor. So because all these wheels are so soft, you can just pretty much throw it on the couch and don't have to worry about it smashing into anything. Alright kids, that's it for today's video with the Air Hugs Flippin' Frenzy. I do like the way this thing rides, and I also like the way it handles in the grass. It's pretty cool. It has two sides with two different colored vehicles, so lots of fun. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Smash that like button and come back to Planet Zizzle to keep the missions going. This is your Toy Commander signing off, and I'll see you guys on our next mission. It's now time for me to blast off out of here.